Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a bird. In this video, we will use scissors. Make sure you have it. Okay, let's start. Okay, starts from white side up. Then make a rectangle. Try to match the corners, also the top line and the bottom line. You're going to do the same thing again. Now you can see 4 squares. Next step, you will use these creases. Rotate the origami like this. Now, let's make a small triangles. Take your time. Make sure you're following the creases. Now, a big square has appeared. Then, we're going to do kind of same thing again. But this time, we will fold just 2 flips. Then, make it half. This is basically a bird's body. Okay, now we're going to make a head. Hold the body with one hand. With another hand, you can shape the tip. Push the top of the tip and fold it inside. Next, we're going to make wings. Use scissors to cut it here. Be careful. Don't cut it all the way. Okay, you can fold it up, and these are wings. Ta-da! You made it! You can change the cutting place and folding angle. Then you can shape other birds. Which one is your favorite bird? Okay, this is an option. You can also shape the tail. Long feathers called rectrices. The way to fold is same as a head. Push the top, put it inside and fold it. Yay! You made a beautiful bird! I really like to see your origami art. Take a picture of what you made and please put Instagram and put hashtag Manami Sensei. Then I can see, also other friends can see. We can all share what we made. And let's spread the origami art in the world. Thank you so much, guys!